But it's like thick, but it's not like thick. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about the new Too Faced Born This Way sculpting concealers. I was so excited. Too Faced sent me a package of their all 20 shades of their new concealers from the Born This Way line. So excited to film this. So excited to film this. I've had it for like a minute now, but I wanted to like film my first impressions with you guys. So that's what took me so long to try it out. You guys should keep watching to see what my thoughts are and what I think about the concealer. Is it worth it or is it not? Is it good or is it poopy? I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys like the video. I want to know what you think about the concealer, if you've tried it, and yeah. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. I have a Facebook page for my makeup, Kaylah Arnae. All of it's linked down below, so don't act like you don't know where to go. But shadow. Okay. Love you. Okay guys, so after I do my eyebrows, I always use my sunflower serum by Cosmetics. It's my holy grail, so just one pump all over my face. I'm gonna put the Becca Backlight Priming Filter like all over. Use the Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt because it's more of a thicker consistency. Extra priming on my nose. So now that my face is all primed and moisturized, I'm going to use my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Tahoe. I'm going to put this on my beauty blender. Like, I did like 4 pumps. I love this foundation because it's like full coverage, but it like feels like my skin. Like I literally feel like I don't have any foundation on. It's like medium to full, but like you can build it up to a nice full coverage, and I love it. And it just feels so nice, and it gives me that like dewy, like fresh, like look how fresh I look. This looks like my skin, does it not? No? Love it. Now for the star of the show, Too Faced sent me my first PR package. So thankful, so excited. I was literally opened the box because it's just a plain box, right? I ordered some clothes online, so I thought it was like part of that or whatever. But I opened it and the first thing I see is this. If you know, I'm sure everyone knows, but like Jackie Aina, she partnered with Too Faced and like she created more shades of their Born This Way foundation. I already have their foundation. But she did like a new formula, new colors, I think. But yeah. So I opened this and then I saw this and I was like, I moved it, and it's the new Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. They literally sent me, ow, fudge. They sent me all 20 shades of their concealer. Like, my heart, like I was so like taken away because I was like, that is so sweet, so nice, I'm obsessed. Like, so look how big these are. These are huge. Like it looks like the foundation. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. And it looks like the same packaging as the foundation. It's a multi-use sculpting concealer. You can conceal, contour, highlight, retouch, that's cool. It's a hydrant, it says. Okay, can't read that language. Okay, it says hydrating, long-wearing, photo-friendly, and non-comedogenic. It's infused with coconut water to It's infused with coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid. So yeah. Coconut water is to replenish the skin's moisture levels. The alpine rose is to brighten the skin's appearance and promote elasticity. And then the hyaluronic acid is for a smoother, more youthful looking appearance. So yeah. Wow, it's huge. It looks like this. This is, okay. Okay, nope, just like that. Oh my gosh, love it already. I'm obsessed. I'm so happy, and I've had this for like about a month now, but I haven't used it yet because I wanted to get my first impression and everything on camera for you guys. So, going right in with the concealer, I'm going to put this, I'm going to do it like I normally do. I'm going to put this down my nose like that. Then under my eyes. As I didn't want to do a bright concealer, but I guess we are. So I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend all of this like so. So it feels like, it looks like it's going to be like super thick like the Tarte Shape Tape. However, when you blend it in, it like blends super nicely and like looks, it just looks good, y'all. Like, I don't know, maybe I should zoom in more so you can get a better close-up. But yeah, it's not even like too much. I don't know. My biggest thing with like concealers is like, I can't stand them to like crease. But I don't know if you can tell, but like, do you see like that glow like behind the concealer? Like, I feel like I just look, maybe that's the coconut water and the hyaluronic acid. I feel like a scientist saying that. And then with my concealer, I always bring it up on my eyelid so everything is even. It's pretty, it is like a medium. Did it say what coverage it is? I don't know. Yeah, fully loaded pigments provide maximum coverage with an undetectable finish for a look so flawless. See, it's hard to like explain. Like, I feel like it's like a medium coverage, I think. But I feel like I want more. I want some more. Just a little bit underneath there. Why is it blurry? Now I'm going to conceal with my toffee shade. That is so pretty. Okay, so now with my Laura Mercier setting powder, I'm going to set my under eye. I'm baking the sides of my nose. With my beauty blender, I just take a side that doesn't really have any foundation on it, and I just like press in the powder. I clean up my contour like this. And just damp that all around. Then with my Becca the Panama Sun Sunlit Bronzer, I'm going to just put some bronzer on my cheeks. And I like to bring it back on my ear. Forehead, chin. And then I like to pinch my brush and like just a little bit like that, and then like that. I'm not really gonna like really go into depth on what I'm doing as far as like my eyes, because it's just like a it's just like my normal everyday like, you know, routine. For my everyday, I like to just go for like a orangey caramel tonish for the crease. Then take that same shade on like my lower lash line. I'm gonna put some mascara on. And as my mascara is dry, I'm going to take these lashes by Kiss I'm gonna throw on. If I can get it open. It's the Kiss number 3 lashes. I find it best that it's easier to put lashes on like when you let the glue dry for like 30 seconds. Do you guys like Drake's new album? If so, comment down your fave song. I have so many. For some reason, Ratchet Happy Birthday is stuck in my head. For my highlight, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby. For my lips, I'm going to use the NYX lip liner in the shade Mahogany, my favorite. Then I'm going to use the MAC Aaliyah collection in the shade Try Again. I'm going to use the MAC Aaliyah collection gloss in the shade Brooklyn Born. So my thoughts on the Too Faced Born This Way concealers. I do like them. I feel like they give you a very just like natural look, in the sense of you can build it up to full coverage, but it's not like thick and heavy. But it's like thick, but it's not like thick. The Tarte Shade Tape Concealer, compared to this, the Tarte is super thick and like heavy, whereas this is full and light, but it still gives like a full coverage. I don't know. I really like it. I definitely think it's worth it. I will link down below like where you can get it and how much it costs. Yeah, again, I'm thankful for Too Faced for being so kind and wanting to send me their new concealers. I was so excited. I was just like, wow, wow, wow. And those are my final thoughts. I definitely think the concealer is worth it. You should try it. And yeah.